What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be basically doing like a wig review. I don't think I've ever done a wig review on my channel before, but I'm going to do one. And the wig that I have is from Bobbi Boss, and the name of it is Lyna Sleek, and it is actually a synthetic wig. This is what it looks like. So it's a synthetic wig. I'm gonna put it on for y'all. I'm gonna try to customize it and show y'all what it looks like. So stay tuned. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to put the wig on and basically show y'all what it looks like. So this is the construction. It has 2 combs on each side of the temple, and then 1 in the back, and then the hair basically just looks like this. It's a blunt cut vibe, so I want to show you guys what it looks like on me. I already got my hair braided up, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on. Yeah, I saw a couple of reviews for this unit. I thought it was cute and I got it, so hopefully it looks cute on me. Once again, this is a synthetic unit, and I got it from my local beauty supply store in case I didn't mention it. So I'm going to show y'all before I cut the lace and start to really customize it, how it came packaged. Oh, it came with this little tag, and the tag just basically has the make of the wig and the type of hair that it is and the color and everything. That's basically what the card looks like. It came packaged with the foam, and then, you know, the regular cards, and then the paper and stuff. And then it just came packaged like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off the front so we can get a good look at what it really looks like. Okay, so I cut the lace off of this wig. It is like a it's a medium. I wouldn't say it's quite soft lace or hard. It's kind of in between. It's not that rough scratchy lace, but it's not the super soft kind either. So I'm gonna go ahead and pluck the middle of my part a little bit more. I did a little bit off camera, but I see a couple spots that I just want to go ahead and redefine, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so after I went ahead, tweezed the part a little bit more, it just went ahead and kind of customized it to my liking. This is pretty much what it looks like. It's just a very cute, sleek bob. Like I said, it is a synthetic unit. I purchased it from my local beauty supply store, and it costs $50. If you buy it online, I think it's only like $30. I'm not for sure, probably like $35. But because I wanted it right now, I went ahead and just purchased it from my beauty supply store. So far, I like it. I think it is really cute. It's something just really simple that you can throw on. I can see myself doing a couple of styles with this unit. I probably will come back and update you guys on it, let you guys know how it holds up and any additional styles that I do. But for the most part, I'm just going to be wearing it like this. Sleek, smooth, cute. It's very trendy. You know, everybody is wearing a blunt bob, so if you want a blunt bob on a budget, she is popping. But yeah, I like it. I think it's really, really cute. I think you can accessorize it too. You can throw on a hat like I got. I'm not gonna wear it, but I mean, I think that would be really cute too. She's just really cute and simple. I like it. I like it a lot. And I can't see it tangling a lot because it's so short. Probably if you get it wet, you'll probably get some problems because it's synthetic and it's not supposed to get wet. But I can't see it tangling a lot. It doesn't shed so far. The hair that I did get was from me tweezing apart, but I can't see it doing too much. If it does, I'll try to update you guys and let you know. But other than that, I can't see it doing too much because it's so short. I think it's cute, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Okay.